second bit already. Wow. Okay, good. Present value, you guys will see it has the same components, but it looks different. So I like so. Julle hoef nie hierdie nou af te skryf nie. Ek wil net vir julle die similarities wys tussen die twee. Nou kan ek self nie onthou like die formule nie. Okay. Daai is mos die een waarmee ons tot dusver gewerk het. That is when you have a goal that you want to reach in the future and you are saving up towards that. Dit ons gehad maandelikse betalings, rentekoers en aantal betalings. Ons mos gesê en staan nie eintlik meer vir tydperk nie. Dit staan nou vir die aantal paemente wat jy maak, the amount of payments that you make. Okay. Do you guys see that it's exactly the same? X is still your monthly payments. I is still your interest rate. And N, even though it has a negative in front of it, is still the amount of payments that you have to make. Okay, so the formulas look similar. Your job is to know which one you have to use. Okay, so obviously the ones that we're going to do in class now, we're all going to use the P formula because we have to practice it. But these only become difficult when you get a sum and you have to read the sum and know, oh, okay, I'm working with present value now or I'm working with future value now. So dis waar jy ons gaan. Okay. So ons het gesê die toekomswaarde anniteit, die F formule, gebruik ons wanneer ons sê ek wil oor 10 jaar. Or if I want to have 3 million in 10 years time, what must I start paying now? So dink aan die F formule as geld wat jy gaan hê. Money that you will be able to spend in a certain amount of time. The present value one, however, is like when you are making debt. You need the money now, but you have to pay it off. Okay? So huidige waarde beteken jy gaan nou vir jou 'n huis koop, but you happen to not have 2.5 million rand in your account right now. So you take out a loan on that present value, the value that the house is now. That is what you borrow from the bank. And then you pay that off over a time period. So with the present value, at the end of the time, the value is 0. With the future value, at the end of the time, the value is a lot. But with the present value, you are decreasing your debt. With the future value, you are increasing the savings or the annuity or whatever. Okay, so die huidige waarde ene beteken ek wil nou 'n kar koop vir 400,000 rand. So ek gaan nou na die car dealership toe. Dit is nou my car. Right? I start driving around today. I'm buying it presently. But I'm still paying off that car for the next X amount of years. Okay. En dit gaan julle moet leer herken in 'n woordsom. Let's get started. I'm at exercise 3. Number 3. I'm going to do number 1 with you guys first. Okay, sorry. So they say, Ms. Nlovu takes out a mortgage bond of 980,000 on a property at a rate of 14% per annum compounded monthly over 25 years. Calculate the monthly payments required to settle the bond if she makes the first payment in 1 month's time. Okay, so it's over 25 years. Are we going to add 1? No. Okay. Actually, with these, we don't add 1 anyway. But I'm probably not going to get to that this morning. I'll explain it to you this, I almost want to say this afternoon. No, no, ma. Okay. Goed. So this is the formula I'm working with. How do I know that? Because she borrows the 980,000 now. That is the value now. Okay. You say times by, no? Okay, I just want to go with you. Times by 0.14 over 12. I get 11433,33333. I just keep typing. So then your calculator goes answer divided by. Okay, so don't press anything, just press the divide by button. Then it pops up as answer divided by. But to answer your question, yes, you can't round before you're done. Okay, let's quickly, they didn't ask for this, but let's see how much they will actually pay. Want onthou, jy betaal nou daai 980,000 rand af, maar jy betaal ook rente af. So, let's say she paid this amount times 25 times 12. Want dis mos hoeveel betaling sy gemaak het. Has a lot more. It's like times 3 and some. So she borrowed less than R1 million and she's paying off 3.5. See, and that is where it turns around on us a bit, no? Because if you don't start a savings account, you are not earning interest, you are paying interest. Wild, no? Yeah, is die lekker nie? Okay, good. But and I didn't have accounting at school, so I don't even know what's in your syllabus. But you guys do know that buying a house isn't considered bad debt. Like, paying off a house instead of paying rent. Because you have to pay to live somewhere. So if you're paying rent, you're paying off someone else's bond. But if you're paying off your own house, then you're paying 12,000 Rand a month. It sucks, but it's yours. It does suck. Miss Steenkamp just bought a house. She knows. Ja, julle kan by haar gaan kuier, maar nie nou nie, want